I'm gonna tell you the names of all my webcams. Then I'll tell and put that order. Since I'm basically getting I am getting my 26th webcam on October the 1st, and it's like the 13th of September. I decided I'll tell y'all the names. So this is Pinkie Pie. She's friend with the gray elephant. And he's a pink pony, as you can tell. This is W. You can probably not read that, but moving on. I take all my weapons like daily, because they always sit up there. But this is a Blackie, but you can't see her very well. She looks blue. Okay, but she's friends with a spotted frog, and, yeah, she's a black bear. Okay. Next is our own little Goldie. She is a little golden retriever. She's friends with a white seal. She'll go over here because this is all my stuffed animals that sleep up on the bed and stuff. So, these the webkins around you. And here, she's a friend with a green tree frog. And yeah. Snowflake is our little pink frog, my cat. As you see, that's her foot. Her best friend is a gray koala, and she's a little pink frog, my cat. Curly is currently the pet I play with. I'm playing with today. So she's a pig, and comes with a Yorkie, which I've got, and this is Snowball, my Yorkie. So they're pals. Back over there with Ruby, Mango, Chihuahua. Well, it's not a little thing, but it's a Chihuahua. This is Ruby. I named her after my birthstone on July 1st, so Ruby is my birthstone. And her friend is a cheeky dog. And really, she's best friend with a rare western. Next is a Midnight. You can probably only see her little. Oh, here's also like key style. She's like a cheerleader. And I've also got this pink one, and I'll show you that this is her eyes. It's like green. Oh, but her friends are spotted frog as well, and black cat. They keep saying this webkins is new. It is not new. Snowball. This is actually Snowball. The best friend is a blue hippo. Cutie. This is Cutie. I'm pretty sure it's Cutie. Whoa, Cutie. Then it's a horse. I want the big king's horse and the little king's horse. But this is Princess, and he's best friends with a golden lion, and they're both pink poodle. Something smells like hot dog. I don't know why. But, it smells good though. This is Pinkie. And she's a little pink pig. And Ellie and Pinkie are both mom and baby as well. Ivory is the one who had the latest birthday at September the 8th. It smells good. Cheeky dog. Ebony, her sister. You cannot see her at all. Is friends with a gorilla. That's her too. She's black. There's Littleton's poodle and Littleton's black poodle, as you can tell. Now we have Cutie Pie. She's name it. And her best friend is a striped snake. Pinky's friends with a golden white cat, and I got that in the little version of it, and it is Rachel. But Victoria has a stick snake, I know that. And she's a little black cat. I know, she retired and I already got it. I got two unicorns. Like, one my mom got at, like, Hastings, and then one she got at, like, another store. I'll bring it out when I talk about Icy. So inside, Spot, my spotted leopard, who she best friends with a tie-dye frog. Icy is friends with a puppy. Let me get those. I haven't named this yet. It didn't come with a tag. But, fluffier than the other one. Something happened to her tail, I guess. But, she's a twin. Oh, yeah. I have no idea what I'm naming that. And this is Banana, that she gave me. And then we've got Rachel, the little pink black and white cat, and golden white cat. And her friend is a tiger, and Bananas is a blue sugar fish. And Sugar, who's wearing our next pink style outfit, but is friends with a brown cow. Lady, friends with a shirted bunny. Wacky, gray elephant. Striped snake is Coco, and brown dog, duck, cotton candy bunny, spring spaniel. And Rosalina is friends with a gray owl, and she is a mocha cup. And sorry, I ran out of time, but